Oh!
See if we can do this little challenge here. Oh my god.
Yeah. So, wouldn't recommend putting these in your hair. Pray for me! This is the dumbest thing I have ever done.
Lan bir şey var mı? İyi misin lan? Gerizik.
I want to look good this year, and I'm trying to make my bangs look good, and this is what is happening! I look crazy! So I need help. So I'm doing this. I'm going like this. Right? But what is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! There's plastic. I just melted.
This is how we do it. Hey, I never asked you. Yeah. You like guacamole?
Alright, this is my new pet goldfish, guys. We're gonna go put him in his new home. There you go. Look at him. He's so pretty. Oh, my goldfish. No.